everyone, today I'll be opening another glossy box. As you know, when I receive these, I come on camera and open them up no matter what I look like. So as you can see, I've got no makeup on and I've just put face cream on, so that's why I look as if I'm sweating. This month's box is back to the regular pink box. I haven't watched any other videos to see what's inside this, so as always, I'm excited to see what I get. As always, we have the little ribbon at the top with the price leaflet and the pink tissue paper underneath. If you've watched any of my glossy box unboxings before, you'll know that I read the prices on these and then I look them up online and I post the actual prices that I find these items at online. I never look at Amazon or eBay because a lot of the time those products are actually from these boxes and people are selling them on, or sometimes they're just selling them for a lot cheaper than what you would get in the shop. So any prices that I post around me are prices that I find in stores. So here's just a quick look at what we have in the box. It actually feels quite heavy for some reason, so maybe we'll have something good this month. So the first thing we have here is this Wild Gardens Pure and Fabulous perfume. This is a 15ml bottle and it says here that this is worth £12. As you may have seen in one of my other glossy box videos, I'm quite funny with perfume and I'm really fussy, and I actually gave the last bottle of perfume that I received away. So I don't even know if I'm going to spray this to smell it or if I'm just going to give it away, because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to like it. I will open it up just to show you what the bottle looks like, and it says here that this is a full size product. I think the bottle is actually quite cute and I'm very tempted to just spray this and see if I like it or not. Okay, I might as well just spray it, and then if I don't like it I can just give it away to a friend. As far as perfumes go, it's actually not too bad. I don't think I would be able to wear this because it isn't the kind of smell that I would normally wear, but I'll definitely be giving this to a friend or family member. The next thing we have is this packet of wet ones. You get 12 wipes in here and this is a full size product. It says here that the RRP on this is £1.19. It's not exactly the most expensive product in the world, and apparently it does kill 99.9% of bacteria, so I suppose it's handy. Next we have another full size product, which is this detoxifying bubbling mask with activated charcoal, and the RRP on this is £4.95. I've paid more than £4.95 for a mask before and it does look pretty good, so I suppose it's not too bad. I think I'll use this for myself and I'll not be putting this one into a giveaway. Next we have a deluxe mini of Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. It says here that you rub this on your scalp before you wash your hair and it unblocks your roots, creating a perfect environment for healthy hair growth. Now, I don't really wash my hair that much. I'll wash my hair maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks, depending on how much I've got to leave the house. And I actually hate the feeling of rubbing things into my scalp. Like when I'm washing my hair, I don't even really like to touch my scalp that much. So I'm not going to use this for myself, but I do know someone who might like to try this. The RRP on this deluxe mini is 50ml for £7.37 and a full size product is 190ml for £28. If this does what it says it does, I don't think that £28 is too expensive, because you do see a lot of caffeine shampoos being sold for about the same price. Next we have this Carol Langfeld lip liner, and as you can see this is a full size product. I'm just going to quickly open this up to show you the colour, but I'm not going to be using this because, as you know, I'm addicted to lip balm and I don't really use lip products. But it says here that the RRP on this is £25 for a lip pencil. I know that this is a designer brand, but £25 for a lip pencil? Get a grip. I'll be putting this into a giveaway. The final thing in the box is another full size product by Bang Beauty, and this is a brow cream. When you open up the box, it comes with this little brow brush, and this is the packaging. Now the packaging is actually quite nice and it contains 0.12 ounces. The only thing that I will say about this is it feels really heavy, but when you actually look at the packaging on this, this is all just glass. There's no product in there at all. So obviously the product's going to be in the little bit that the lid screws on. I was expecting this to be full, but as you can see here, that tiny little line there is the amount of product that you're getting in this. That is the tiniest amount ever. If I hold this really close to the camera, you'll be able to see that this side is fully about here and this side is only halfway up to there. Now, considering the size of the packaging on this, the amount of product that you're getting in that is ridiculous. That's just a total waste of packaging. I realise that they want it to look nice and they want it to feel nice, but that is a joke, to be honest. The RRP on this is £16.80. Now, I don't really do my eyebrows, I just slightly colour them in with a pencil, so I won't be using this and I will be putting it into a giveaway. But like I said, there's literally no product in this. It does look nice and feel nice, but it's not about how it looks and feels in the packaging. It's about how much product you get and how good the product is. Now, I'm obviously not going to be trying the product out because I don't use brow creams, but to me, I think that £16.80 for a wee bit of packaging that's just going to go in the bin anyway is a rip-off. To be fair, I'm probably not the best person to give an opinion on this product since I don't even use brow creams, but to me, I feel as if that amount of product for that price is a waste of money. You're getting the little brush with it which you can use again, and the packaging is just going to go straight into the bin. I mean, if you're somebody who pays a lot of money for your brow products, let me know what you think of this. Do you think that this is a bargain, or do you think that this is a waste of money? One thing that I would also like to add before I put this back into the box is that when you're looking at this in the shop, you're looking at this packaging for £16.80 and you're probably thinking, that's not too bad, but this box has actually got a cardboard insert in it up to here, so the packaging in here is only reaching to about there. Not to mention the fact that once you open this packaging, which is basically just nothing, and then you're opening this up to find that this whole bit isn't even filled up, it's not even half full. To me, that's false advertising. It says here that this gives you perfectly sculpted brows that last day and night, but let's be honest, right? How many times are you going to be able to use that amount of product, really? Like, for somebody who really does their eyebrows properly, and sometimes they make them quite thick, how much use are you going to get out of this for £16.80? I don't know. Like, I actually don't know because I don't use these, but like, just to me, I feel as if the whole thing is false advertising. The box is too big, the packaging's too big, and the product's too little. I don't know. This box was actually going really well and I was loving it, but then once I seen the packaging on this, it just outraged me once again. And I know that it's not Glossybox that produced these items and they're just giving you them to try them out, and that's fine, but the people who actually make this product are going to take a look at themselves because it's just ridiculous. So as you'll probably know, Glossybox costs around £10 a month with around £3.50 shipping, and the first product that I took out of this box is supposedly worth around £12. So you're making your money back straight away. I mean, this lip liner itself is supposed to cost £25. I don't know who out there is spending £25 on a lip liner, but you know, it's up to you how you spend your money. At the start of the video, I was thinking about putting this into a giveaway, but now I've sprayed it, I won't be able to do that, so I'm going to have to give this away to a friend or family member. The scalp detox is something that I'm going to give to a friend to try out, and I'm going to keep this mask for myself. Other than that, I'm going to be putting these 3 items into my giveaway. Now, I was supposed to do my giveaway at the end of last month and I was just busy and I forgot, but I'm literally going to be doing the giveaway this month because I've got so much stuff in the giveaway now that if I leave it any longer, it's going to cost an absolute fortune to post. So I'm going to get all this stuff together and I'm going to be putting that video together this week. If you would like to enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed and you have to comment on the giveaway video. To make sure you don't miss the giveaway video, make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let me know in the comment section what you thought of these items, and if you think that £16.80 is too much for this, or £25 too much just for one lip liner, then let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. Bye!